Hello friends and welcome. You are with Deepak R. Khemani and this is the 2 Minutes Money and Personal Finance Show. An old acquaintance whom I had met almost a year ago called up and said, I watch your videos every day and I want your recommendation on this. I want to invest in an ELSS fund. Please explain to me what it is, how it works and how should I go about investing in it. Let's get to the point. An ELSS, Equity Linked Savings Scheme, is a mutual fund scheme which comes with a income tax ATC benefit, which means if you invest in this, you can claim income tax ATC benefit up to 1,50,000 a year. Every income tax benefit scheme comes with a lock-in, and ELSS comes with a lock-in of 3 years. There are other income tax benefit schemes which fall under ATC like insurance policies, national savings certificates, PPF, EPF and children's education, whatever. Except for the children education, every investment scheme comes with a lock-in, and ELSS has the lowest lock-in, which is 3 years. It is a mutual fund scheme. It invests whatever you give them directly into the equity market. Most ELSS schemes in the industry are multi-cap or flexi-cap type of schemes, where the fund manager can invest in large caps, mid caps, small caps, or a combination of all three depending upon their views. A lot of people make this mistake of withdrawing from their ELSS immediately after the 3 years. Let's understand the 3 years is a lock-in. It's not like a 3-year fixed deposit where after 3 years your money does not earn any interest. There is no interest in this. There is simply growth. So it does not mean that after you've completed 3 years you got to take your money out. The lock-in has opened up. You have an option of taking out money anytime in the future. It could be 1 month, 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 5 years after the lock-in has opened up. This is in 2 minutes what an ELSS is and what are the features. How to select an ELSS scheme, which one is good for you, which one works for you. We will talk about that in the next episode. Stay tuned.